Yo, what is up, everybody? JuanCarlos here, bringing you a new video. So today is November 10th of 2020, currently 10:14 p.m. And so this is gonna be an overview of my watch list. I already have a couple tickers here, and so what I am going to do is I'm just gonna go on what I predict my stocks are going to do tomorrow morning. Is I always want to go in with a plan. Each stock I go into, right? I always want to have a thesis. I always want to have a goal. What's my reward? What's my risk? How much money am I putting in this trade? And so what I'm gonna go over for this video is pretty much my predictions for tomorrow morning. And I'm always going to adapt what the market is, and I'm gonna capitalize. Okay, so I'm gonna go first over the stocks that are under $1. So first off with ACST. So what I usually like to do is I like to get the horizontal thing right here, and then I just like to create floors. So wherever wherever I see, this is just me in action right now. This is 1 year chart, one year chart, and each candle is a day. But as you can see, it's all the way at 233. So let's go for the past 1 month. And so you could see right here, it had this hard candle up today. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna go right there, some right there. Let's put one right there, and then another one right there, and then let's put one right there, right? And then let's go in closer. Let's move it into a minute chart. And so yeah, let's go back 3-month chart. All right, so it looks pretty, it doesn't look nice, right? But what I could do is I'm gonna clear it up, all right, to get a better view. And so I think tomorrow could be another green day. Probably touch one of these. Probably go to the. It's right now at 23 right now, and I think it could probably go around horizontal line right here around 280. And then I'll just put another one right there at 21. I'll probably be a risk. I'll probably buy in the morning, and if it goes under, I'll probably just cut it at that 21 and then hold on to it if it goes past that 28. And look, all this open space right here. So if it breaks out this this high, which is 2.99 cents, and then this high is 28 cents, and the highest. So I think tomorrow it could be another green day. But let's move on to the next one. So the next one I have is TTNP, and that's pretty much my prediction, right? That's what I think it's gonna do. And so for this one, so we got a second green day. It's trading at 13 cents right now. So I'm just putting some horizontal lines. Some of them already have it, but let's clear them out. Right there, right there, and right there. And so so this is looking at a 3-month chart. Let's look at a 7-day 1 minute chart. And so you could see that from 1 all the way to towards the close, it went to the high of 14, and then it broke down hard right here on that all the way down to the 13th. And so looking back at the 20-day, trying to go back, I don't know why it looks like that. Let's go to 3 months. Again, I think tomorrow could be a green day. Probably go to maybe let's look at more further. So maybe to 15 cents at least. But that was on my watch list, so I'll put I'm not necessarily gonna trade it, but it's on my watch list. Okay, so whatever it gives me tomorrow, I'm going to adapt and have a plan in mind. Always have a plan. And so I'm gonna go with TLGT. Let's look at it, the year chart. So it looks like it's been downtrending this whole 2 years, and so let's get close to it. So trading at 67 cents. Looks like how did it do today? So we could draw some horizontal lines right here. Right there. So those are pretty much my predictions. And so let's go back to 3 months, and you can see that it stayed around here. Okay, and tomorrow I would like it to see go into like around there to like 83 cents or so. That would be phenomenal. So we could just go in closer, and yeah, if we could break, I'll have any of these as like a risk. So aftermarket, it went all the way to the low of 57 cents. And so let's say tomorrow this opens up, I would probably buy around, let's say 67 cents, and then I would risk that 63 cents, so about right here. And then I'll probably want to have like a good either sell at around here at 73 or hold for a profit. Try to see if it could break out that 75, and then again, if it could go even higher and past that to like 83 cents. So that's that. And so I got a couple more tickers which are above $1. So let's go off with VCNX. And so VCNX, so today, let's see how it was doing today. Okay, so you could see towards market close, literally like about 40 minutes before market close, it just ran up or spiked up. So what do I think it could do tomorrow? What I think it could do tomorrow is I'm probably just gonna do some horizontal lines right here again. This is what I like to do. I call them levels. Do some of this right here. Let's do some right here, and then right there, and right there. And so let's look at a 3-month chart. And so what I would do is I would probably buy at 204 if it goes all the way down to 204. So that's 10 cents lower from where it's at right now. Buy it right at the market, but again, you don't want to set you don't want to buy exactly at the market. You want to wait a couple more minutes, because there's people already placing their orders and have buy orders, and then so you might get filled and the stock might drop all the way to $1, right? But that's just a hypothetical scenario. But again, there's a lot of people that already have their orders placed, and so they're probably going to get filled first. So you don't want to, you just want to be patient and be see how it reacts, and then you want to again be prepared like a sniper. So this is me preparing and showing you guys how I get prepared for the day after. So so that's VCNX. I would like it to I would probably buy around like 204 again, and then maybe sell at like 227, and then see how it does around 250, and then today's high was at 321. So that was VCNX. And let's go to TISI. That's another one. And so this one, yeah, we could just draw some. Let's see how it was doing today. Okay, so we could draw some vertical lines right here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's do some right there, right there, right there, and right there. And let's go 3-month chart. So for this one, what I think it could do is probably I think tomorrow this could be a dip buy, probably around like $1 from where it's at right now, under $1. So probably to like 718 or so, even 773. This could probably be a dip buy. If not, probably go up to one of these $10 range. But that's me being bullish. And that's TISI. Not much for that one. Let's go to APTS. So this one is let's see how it did today. Okay, let's see. Okay, 3-month chart, 1-year chart. Let's go 3-month chart. Okay, so this second green day. Okay, let's see how it was doing today. 60-minute. No, let's go one minute. Let's do some let's do some horizontal lines. Let's see where it's at. Okay, right there, and then we'll have one right there, and right there. Let's see. So again, if this could break out about 785, probably by around like $7 or so. But again, I usually like to look at stocks under $1. That's pretty much my niche. But I still like to look at higher price stocks at times, and that's my prediction for now. TWI, not much of a prediction, but that's what I like to see. I think that one could be a dip buy. That's why I said it. So you just want to react to what the market is giving to you. You don't want to have like a you just want to react to what the market is giving you, because price action is what is there in front of you. So there's this one quote I like to always say. I always take it in reference. I trade the chart, not the business. Okay, that's my number one thing I like to look at. And so this is a TWI. This is the last ticker I have for you guys. And so this is like about the 4th green day. Yep, it is. So let's look at it today, how it was doing today. So it was uptrending the whole day, gradually uptrend a year. So what I think this one could do is, this one's probably going to be a dip buy. So at 461, and then go to like maybe $5 or $4.99, and then probably just turn over and go to like 390 or so, and probably fight around 436 for that. And that's pretty much it for my watch list for today. Yeah, so again, I'm not going to be specific on what I just did right now. That's just me being prepared ahead of time. I don't want to just buy something and just hold and hope. So at least I have a reference of what I'm going to do tomorrow, but not exact. Again, I'm going to react to what the market is giving me and then adapt to it and then capitalize, or I'm going to learn from what I did wrong. Okay? That's basically what I do each and every day. I set my thesis, I set a goal in mind, which is my reward, and then what is my risk? Okay? Like if I'm going to, let's say I buy at 436 and my risk is 390. Okay, so if it breaks 390 under, I'm gonna sell at 390. I'm gonna set a limit sell at 390, and let's say it doesn't even go under 639, 436. Sorry about that. Let's say you buy at 436 and it breaks that. Okay, so let's say it dipped hard, it cracked under to 436, and then my reward was to sell at 461, right? That's about 30 cents or so of upside, I'm gonna stay disciplined and sell right there. And if it breaks, if he goes, sometimes you want to hold on to your winners, but then again, you do not want to be greedy because the market will humble you. And so just hold on to your winners sometimes, so you do get like a nice another breakout right there. So I would probably sell like at right at 4.99. If it could touch back at 5, I would love it. But then again, you want to sell your limit at that 4.97. So that's basically what I usually do the night before. That's basically what I do to like get prepared for the next day. I just like to go and have a game plan of what it could possibly do, and just basically react to what the market is doing. And yeah, if you did find value in this, like the video, comment what you learned, and on to the next video. Peace out.